I grew up hearing stories. There were some tunnels that run from St. Giles to local pubs, and then I was told that that was all a lie. But I'd still like to believe that it's true, and I think that maybe back in the 1600s, maybe they thought that too. Imagine it, 2 17th century church wives. After the service, one of them pulling the other aside like, "Hi, Gwyn, just a second. Yeah, I know we're new to the ministry, but I think we should get you to a brewery. I've heard so much. I've heard there's tunnels running from here to the local where you pop out of a hatch and get handed mead in handfuls. I've heard that there's an entrance hidden somewhere in this church. I think it's under one of these grates, or it might be between pews row 7 and 8. Yeah, just check under your feet. If there's like some hidden entrance, that'd be great. Or it could be under that Corbella Moses. Let's just rip it open and go for it." But maybe desecration might be a bit too bleak, so we could just follow the direction of that Lacton eagle's beak. Because this might be one of the 7 wonders of Wales, but think about what we could do with some ales in hand, sweeping secrets up off the bar floor, understanding why unholy secrets taste so sweet. Don't you see it? Don't you want something more? Sorry? Don't you want something more? Because I've been harboring this wild hope, this dream, because there's so many secrets, so many histories hidden. And I have a dream that the tunnels is where they all go. All those forgotten myths and souls that we'll never know, they slip through this tile and stone and stow themselves in the underbelly of the town. Maybe they saw that painting of Judgment Day and thought instead they'd find a way to slip out of time and space and find themselves a place to hide. Maybe because their stories are not written down in books leather bound. Maybe instead they've left us love letters etched into the walls of the underground. Yeah, sorry, Gwyn, I get away with myself. Thank you anyway for this brief post-service reunion. I should really stop drinking so much at communion. But yeah, we should just go. Unless you want to, no, it's fine. You go home, I'll stay, I can cope. I'll just be here with my ear to the floor, listening out for a hollow spot until someone invents the stethoscope. And if I do end up finding a way to tunnel out of time, of course, you'll be the first to know. Thank you.